Welcome, road warriors. Today, I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the world of tiny living, specifically, the world's first pentakis dodecahedron tiny house. I know what you're thinking. A pentakis dodeca what? Sounds like a fancy term for the latest IKEA furniture assembly instructions. But fear not, my friends. This little beauty is actually a 60-sided geodesic dome that promises to redefine your idea of downsizing. If you've ever wanted to live in a house that looks like it was designed by a very enthusiastic geometry teacher, this is it. Now, before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You wouldn't want to miss out on more of these wild rides, would you? I mean, who doesn't want to keep up with the coolest vehicles and homes on the planet? So go ahead, give that button a click, like it's the last slice of pizza at a party. Alright, let's get into it. This architectural marvel was brought to life by Joshua Toolberg of Dodeca domes. Inspired by the iconic Buckminster Fuller and his obsession with geodesic domes, this house combines a sleek aesthetic with practical space utilization. It features a welded steel hub and wooden struts, all supported by a raised pier and beam foundation. Basically, if your current living space feels cramped, just imagine cramming into a house that looks like it was a failed science project. But don't worry, it provides excellent insulation, so whether it's blistering summer or chilly winter, you'll be snug as a bug in a rug. Now let's talk about the inside. This tiny house covers a mere 308 square feet, 28 square meters across 2 levels. When you walk in, the main living area immediately captivates you with its triangular windows and dome shape. Honestly, it's like stepping into a space-age igloo. The design is clever enough to make those curved walls feel natural. You'll find room for a sofa bed, a dining table for 2, perfect for those romantic dinners that never happen, and a central unit that integrates the kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. Because why have separate rooms when you can smell last night's dinner while using the bathroom, right? Speaking of the kitchen, it's well equipped with a fridge freezer, sink, coffee maker, microwave, toaster, and cabinetry. I can only imagine how many tiny meals I'd burn while trying to cook in there. The bathroom, on the other hand, has a shower, toilet, and even an outdoor hot tub. Because who doesn't want to bathe under the stars, contemplating life choices while neighbors wonder what the heck you're doing? Now, if you're ready to experience this geometric gem, you can currently find it on Airbnb. But if you're feeling adventurous, Toolberg plans to offer a DIY kit in 2025, complete with steel welded hubs and construction drawings, all for the bargain price of $15,000. That's right, folks. For less than the cost of a new car, you can own a house that's literally a geometry lesson. I can already see the Instagram posts. Here's me in my pentakis dodecahedron, looking fabulously lost. Remember, check out the link to the official product website in the video description for more details. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hey, if you ever decide to build your own, maybe invite me over for a hot tub party. I'll bring the tiny snacks.